Hi, it's Dr. Paulo Yamin. In this video, we will resolve exercises concerning the chapter of amine. We resolve 4 exercises. We will start by exercise number 1. It contains 3 parts. A. How can we transform benzene NH2 to benzene CH2 NH2? Okay, so let's transform it to diazonium salt. Replaced by Cn minus, CuCN, and we have seen C triple bond N plus 2H2 nickel addition HHHH will form your primary amine. B. How can we transform CH3 CH double bond CH2 to CH3 CH CH3 NH2? Very easy. Addition HCl according to Markov on an alkene, I will obtain CH3 CHCl CH3. Cl very good leaving group. Now I add NH3 and will attack Cl believe you will obtain your compound. Part C. Benzene to 135 tribromo benzene. First of all, let's add NO2, transform it to NH2 to become an activating group. It's a strongly activating. We can do halogenation, polyalkylation or polyhalogenation here. So I add 3 Br2 Fe. They will come on ortho and para. I need tribromo, right? Yes, tribromo. Okay. Now NH2, I do diazonium. And I transform by H3PO2 to eliminate N2 plus and to form H. So I will have H here with Br, and Br. Okay? So this was exercise number 1. Exercise number 2. Propose a method to prepare from CH3 C triple bond N butanone. So part A, CH3 C triple bond N butanone. Elongation of chain, so we think of Grignard on triple bond N plus C2H5 MgBr. I will obtain addition CH3 C2H5 double bond N MgBr. H2O, H plus, first of all you will obtain NH here, then you will break this one to form your ketone, CH3CO, C2H5. Part B, from acetaldehyde, prepare diethylamine, so C2H5, NH, C2H5. So we need to increase the chain by C2H5 and H2, let's add it. So I will obtain CH3, CH, OH, NH, C2H5, H plus delta. I will eliminate water to obtain imine, CH3, CH, double bond N, C2H5. So this is imine, and by addition of H2 nickel to imine addition HH, I will obtain my corresponding amine, which is secondary. So this was exercise number 2. Let's move now to exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, give the major product of different reaction. A. Isopropyl amine plus CH3 Br. Very easy, and will attack Br will leave. I will obtain isopropyl NHCH3. B. Ammonia plus tert butyl chloride CH3Cl. Pay attention, this is a tertiary as we have seen before, so it's an elimination. So the product is an alkene. Okay? Let's continue. C, CH3, CH2, C double bond OH, it's an aldehyde, plus NH3, then H2 nickel. So it's a two-step process. First of all, NH3 will attack. You will obtain CH3, CH2, CH, OH, and H2, and OH by H2 nickel, it will be reduced. So the final compound is CH3, CH2, CH2, and H2, propyl and H2. Part D, paranitrotoluene plus H2 nickel, add nickel unit catalyst, so we will transform NO2 to NH2. So هذول part A, B, C, D. We still have 4 parts in exercise number 3. E. Butane 2-ol plus ethylamine. Add acidic media. You have acidic media. Acidic media will protonate, okay, good leaving group, and will attack, this will leave. So the final product will be this one with NHC2H5. F, CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus CH3 NH2. You have also H2 nickel. This is the same as part C. So the final product will be C, 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 NH, CH3. You need to add the H's. G, CH3, CH2, C triple bond N, lithium, aluminum hydride. It's like the addition of 2H2. Okay, but with LiLH4, addition HHHH, you will obtain a primary amine. So CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, primary amine. Last part, diethyl. So I am with H, diethyl amine plus benzene, CO, Cl, acid chloride, and will attack carbonyl open close, and then I'll believe. So the final product will be C2H5 and C2H5, C double bond O with benzene. So this was exercise number 3. We still have one last exercise, exercise number 4, to finish this chapter. Exercise number 4. Synthesis 4 parts. Okay. Part A. Prepare from propionic acid or propanoic acid, it's the same, a propyl amine. It's very easy. I can reduce my acid with H2 nickel. I will form an alcohol. I do a nucleophilic substitution, HBr, HCl, Br. Now I add NH3, nucleophilic substitution, and will attack Br will leave. I will obtain my primary amine. Okay? B. Benzene NH2 to benzene COH. Always think of diazonium salt. I will do the diazonium HNO2. I will form benzene N2 plus, nucleophile COCN, Cn minus will attack, N2 plus will leave. I will obtain benzene, C triple bond N, and the function nitrile by hydrolysis, I will obtain the function carboxylic acid. So this was part B. We still have part C and D. Part C. Prepare from CH3, CH2, C double bond OOH, CH3, CH2, and H2. So removal of CO, we must think of Hoffman. So I add NH3, I will form CC, C double bond O, and H2. Hoffman, BrO minus or ClO minus, I will obtain my primary amine, sure, plus the ion, carbonate, CO3, 2 minus. Last part, part D, RC double bond O, NH2 to RC double bond OR. Pay attention, we did not see this before. The reduction of amide, we did not see it before, it will give the nitrile. Before the nitrile, it will give the primary amine. I will reduce the C double bond O. And now minus 2H2, I need heat for this reaction. I will obtain R, C triple bond N. Nitrile, to increase the chain, we think of Grignard. So plus RMGX. And in the presence of water, you will obtain your ketone. This reaction is seen before. First of all, we have RCR double bond N MgBr, and it is going to be broken by the addition of water. So I repeat, this is very important. We did not see it in the theory. Pay attention. Amide, by reduction, it will give a primary amine. So like this, we have finished the exercises concerning the chapter of amine. Thank you.